Well, we got her wrapped up, all done, finishing up, and there's the old worn out stuff, and there's the pretty new parts, all installed and looking good, working right. And the best part is, done on a Sunday, customer loses no time, right back to pumping on Monday. If y'all need no pump service or any kind of repairs to a concrete pump in central North Carolina, just give us a call. Repairco LLC. We'll get you taken care of. Work on all models, all makes, all sizes, don't matter. Anything from plants to pumps and all in between. Y'all have a good day.